Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to navigate your dashboard as a white label agency owner. So we have a few sections within the platform, and obviously it's quite overwhelming to begin with, but when you first complete your onboarding, you'll be directed to the dashboard where you'll see a variety of different tools. The first part, and on the sidebar, it says build. This is where essentially is all you need to build your agent. So we have our call flows, where you can select a specific call flow or create from business or create a new flow from scratch. You can go into a specific agent, and this one page is everything you need to create your own voice agent as well as edit any of your agents whatsoever. So you've got your prompt, you've got your LLM, your voice, your speech to text, APIs, integration, languages, and sort of some welcome messages, transfers, post call actions, email summaries, the knowledge base, and as well as connect to your agent. So that is a very broad overview of what the call flow section involves. When you go back to the dashboard, you've got message flows, crews, which is AI to AI agents, and your other knowledge bases where you can create from scratch too. You've also got the deploy section where you can either buy your own phone numbers or claim our phone numbers from our platform, as they are offered for free on our studio and agency plans. You can also bring your own number from Twilio, Telnix, or a custom SIP, and you can just plug in your details here and you'll be able to bring your own phone number on the platform. You can also make your outbound calling, so you can do either single call, batch calls, and also our smart callback tools, which allows you to persistently retry a specific call over and over. After that, you've got your call monitoring. So this is where you can view your call history and everything about it. So your recordings, your links, transcripts, the status of all calls, etc. You've also got inbox for messages, you've got conversations for messages again, and you've also got some extra analytics there for you too. In account, you've got your invoicing, which is native invoicing, so you can directly bill your clients and your sub accounts on the platform. You've got billing, which is where you can see your own details about your own plan and sort of the status about your minutes, what plan you're on, etc. You've got some other detailed settings where you can sort of go in about team members, and you've also got your agency settings too, where you can create new workspaces and also edit specific parts about your domain, your email, and also your Stripe account too, where we will sort of connect with you on that. Overall, that is a quick summary of what your platform is involved with, but I will look at sort of like a structure of creating, deploying, monitoring. So that's our agency settings, and hopefully you guys can navigate your dashboard a bit easier after this video. Thanks.